recent times, there is a growing need among developing countries, private corporations and universities for small satellites, which is stimulated by the demand from commercial Earth observation and communication constellations. The satellite operators are looking for cost-effective and flexible launch solution that cannot be offered by larger vehicles. Currently, in ISRO, small satellites are launched using PSLV either as co-passenger or as a dedicated vehicle. PSLV has much higher payload capability and is suitable for a specific class of heavy satellites. For small satellites, a small launch vehicle can offer a better solution. Hence, it was thought to have tailor-made, dedicated small satellite launcher to meet the demands of the customers and that of the country, which would also naturally offer an optimal capacity utilization. The Small Satellite Launch Vehicle SSLV is the latest launch vehicle designed and developed by ISRO to deliver single or multiple nano, micro or mini satellites up to weight of 500 kilograms into 500 kilometer planar orbit. SSLV is a three-stage vehicle with all solid propulsion stages and liquid propulsion-based velocity trimming module as terminal stage. SSLV is 2 meter in diameter and 34 meter in length with lift-off weight of 120 tons. SSLV, being the younger sibling of the legendary PSLV, GSLV and LVM-3, has inherited best of the qualities of these three. However, it also offers certain new technology elements considering functional requirements of its job. Two new solid motors, SS1 and SS3, are now added to ISRO's fleet of solid motors. SS1 motor is the third largest solid booster of ISRO, while SS3 motor is a new composite upper stage solid motor. SSLV vehicle is designed as a ready-to-transfer vehicle with standard interfaces for end-to-end industrial production. The first maiden flight of SSLV-D1 aims to demonstrate the design payload capability of the vehicle in low Earth orbit as well as multi-orbit launching capability through restart of terminal liquid stage. SSLV-D1 is scheduled to launch EOS-2 satellite and co-passenger satellite Azadi-Sat in 356 km circular lower Earth orbit. EOS-2 is a 135 kg technology demonstration satellite for various technologies with applications in areas of agriculture, forestry, geology and hydrology. Azadi-Sat, a tribute to India's celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, is a 7.3 kg nano satellite, an initiative from the startup Space Kids India. SSLV-D1 will be launched from the first launch pad in SDSC Shar in Sriharikota. SSLV will be a cost-effective launch vehicle providing the satellite operators the flexibility to launch multiple satellites in terms of orbit and schedule in a single launch. They can also get the flexibility of launching the satellites on demand anytime and anywhere, as the vehicle requires minimal launch infrastructure and can be realized in shortest time. Small Satellite Launch Vehicle SSLV is deemed as the next workhorse rocket from ISRO, and it is suggested to play a major role in the commercial small satellite launch services.